Nag-e-echo yung ating ano. Ayan. So, here we are. Sandali ano ko lang.
Okay na coach. Okay na, wala na yung echo.
Okay na. Pull out ko lang yung slide ko ha. Yan. So, clear ba? Nakikita ba yung slide ko? Okay. So, welcome to our onboarding call. So, tonight we will be So, welcome po lahat, all participants, ng ating 80 participants all over the world. So, at least, nag-e-echo talaga. Wait. Wait lang po ha. Yun. Most probably here. Kasi you're enrolled sa ating Hero 30 program. So, ano po ba yung Hero 30? So, welcome po lahat kayo sa ating webinar tonight. So, this is the start. This is jump start for us sa ating program, for our Hero 30 program. So, ano ba yung Hero 30? Sa knowledge lang, this is a group coaching session program from 30-day challenge forex program kung saan pwedeng maging profitable ang isang beginner from zero knowledge to a profitable trader. So, what we are saying here is nakikita may mga results po tayo sa ating live trading. By the way, we have live trading every night from XAU USD. For XAU USD at DJ30. Here are the results ng ating live trading every night. So makikita natin dito that yung ating mga classmates humapaldo, pa-follow lang yung system natin. So marami tayong mga profitable traders so far. So what we have right now, we have an ongoing promo for iPhone 17 and we will have 6 lucky winners for our iPhone 17 Pro. At saka, pag nag-enroll kayo sa Hero 30, once you enroll, you will be given 1 raffle entry, saka 1 additional entry once you deposit $1,000 in VT Markets. So, meron tayong quarterly draw for that. So, nagkaroon tayo ng raffle draw last June, tapos magkakaroon ulit tayo ng September. So everyone has a chance to win iPhone 17 Pro. So meron tayong mga nanalo. Yun. Okay. Sa sarili ako, may technical difficulty naman tayo. Ayun. So, okay na tayo. Sige. Ayan. Lumabas na yung slide. So, uulitin ko ulit. Pasensya. Meron tayong technical difficulty sa ating system. So, what's the Hero 30 program? Hero 30 program is the 30 days challenge on Forex. So, this is a group coaching session. We're in OFWs from all over the globe are enrolled at have given the chance to earn and to learn Forex trading. So marami tayong mga success stories. So some of which is nahandito every night. We have our live trading session which with our XAU USD sa ating under Coach Jesse and then sa ating founder si Coach Nars Paraguya. Gabi-gabi yung ginagawa natin from Monday to Friday. These are the testaments of success na ang ating mga classmates before batches of the Hero 30 program. So as a background also, we've been doing Hero 30 for about how many months now? So these are the testaments of their success na ginawa nila on our program. So nakita natin easily, as long as you follow the process, you undergo the learning process, and then sumunod ka lang, these are the success stories. So this next slide, Coach, please. So for now, we have an ongoing promo, by the way. Once you enroll to the Hero 30, you are entitled to one raffle entry. You are may opportunity kayo. There's a chance for you to win an iPhone 17 Pro. So quarterly po yung ating raffle draw. What we had already two winners. We had our first draw, I think this July, for the first quarter. So merong nanalo yung taga Thailand, and then one of our colleague na coach nanalo ng iPhone 17. So everyone has a chance to win an iPhone 17, and also ngayon sa September magkakaroon tayo ng another draw for iPhone 17. And of course, yung ating grand draw mangyayari ngayong December, you will have a chance to win BYD Cell 5 brand new car. So yun, nakapag-trade ka na, kumita ka na, mayroon ka pang chance manalo ng cellphone at mayroon kang chance manalo ng brand new car. Diba? Isip mo yun? Napakalaking opportunity for you to earn and to learn at the same time, at pwede pang manalo ng ating mga fabulous prizes. So next slide, please. And also, we have our 100% bonus for new accounts. So it's back. So medyo nawala siya ng konti. Now, as new depositors of VT Markets, once you deposit $300 to $1,000, you will be given a 100% deposit bonus. So ano po yun? Yung po yung magiging tulong natin for us, it's additional capital in terms of equity. So kung may 500 ka, magiging 1,000. Kung 1,000 ka, magiging $2,000 yung deposit for the day. Malaking tulong para ma-stretch yung ating capability to trade. So, di ba? So, if ever may 300 ka, isipin mo, magiging $600 yung 300 mo. So, it's a big help for us. This is exclusive for new trading accounts. So, bago lang po yung bagong open account. Pag nag-open kayo ng account, magkakaroon kayo ng 100% deposit bonus. So, the bigger capital you have, the bigger trading opportunities you will have. So, don't miss po yung limited time promotion nito. Pwede itong mawala anytime this month. So if there's an opportunity for you to deposit, mag-deposit na po kayo habang ongoing pa at habang may deposit pa tayo na bonus na binibigay po ng ating broker, which is VT Markets. Okay, so deposit po tayo if there's an opportunity so that we can start our trading journey. Okay po, next slide. So, sa Forex trading, we have what we call the 5 M's. The mindset, the mechanics, market analysis, method, and mastery. Doon po sa ating pagpasok natin sa Forex trading, we should start with the right mindset. So ano po yun? Success begins in your mind. So if you have the right mindset, kung tama po yung ating gearing sa utak natin, mindset tayo na we will succeed in what we're doing, and then we empty our cup. We can learn. So, ganun lang yun. We should start with right mindset. Lahat ng to is nasa ating Hero 30 website, nasa ating Hero 30 Academy. So, you should start from this. Kasi a lot of us, pagka nakatikim na ng live trading, hindi na agad nag-aaral. Mali po yun. So, dito kasi tinuturo natin yung tamang mindset ng isang trader. So, discuss natin yun further. So, mechanics, tinuturo din doon ng mechanics, paano mag-trade, paano mag-buy, paano mag-sell. So, nandun po yun, yung mechanics kung paano. And then, market analysis also. We have to understand how the market moves, ranges, and key levels. So, yun, pinag-uusapan din, pinipresent din yung market analysis natin. So, you have to go through the process na wag po tayo mag-skip doon sa ating Hero 30 Academy. buksan po natin yun at aralin natin isa-isa ang 5 M's ng ating trading journey. Nandun din po yung method. We have proven strategy, methods forex trading. And then, of course, sa dulo yung mastery. You have to turn skills into profits through practice. So, everyday trading, everyday practice is the key to success in trading. Okay? Next slide, please. So, ano po ang mindset? Isipin natin, anong mindset to succeed in forex trading? Alam niyo po, you can have the best strategy. You can have the best indicators, and also you can have the best cheat codes, the best coaches. Diba? Nasa atin na po lahat yon. Pero kung nasa inyo na lahat, ibinigay na sa inyo, pero wala kayong right discipline, right patience, and emotional control, you will not succeed. So ulitin ko po, dapat may disiplina, may emotional control, at saka may patience. So tatlo po yun. Kung wala tayong pasensya, hindi tayo magsasucceed. Kasi mag-aapura tayong mag-trade, di ba? Mag-aapura tayong mag-open, mag-aapura tayong mag-buy, mag-aapura tayong mag-sell. So, right discipline, dapat disiplinado po tayo na pagdating nating target for the day, close na tayo. At dapat may emotional control. It's easier said than done, alam ko. Because pagdating sa actual na trading, alam ko mahirap. It's easy for demo, but emotional control, you have to master emotional control. So it takes time, it takes patience, it takes practice for you to have an emotional control. So sabihin natin, there's always may lose talaga, may failure talaga. All successful traders naman have losses. Yun nga lang, mayroon silang tamang risk management. Ituturo po ito yon sa ating Hero 30 Academy, yung tamang risk management para po wala tayong masyadong malaking losses. So, isa pa is stop chasing quick money. Hindi po pwedeng nasa forex tayo, iniisip natin is madaling kumita rito. Nakikita natin sa YouTube, naka-Lamborghini, mayaman ka agad. Hindi po ganon. Hindi po ganon kasimple. You have to learn step by step kung paano the way we trade, paano yung sistema. Hindi siya quick rich scheme. So kung iniisip natin na eto maglalaki agad ang lot size ko kasi gusto kong yumaman, gusto kong maging diretso agad yumaman in matter of 1 month, hindi po. Disiplina po ang kailangan sa forex trading. Pag wala po tayo nun, hindi po tayo magsasucceed. So mindset talaga, it starts with you. Okay, next slide po. So believe po it's possible. So sabi natin, your belief shapes your trading journey and can lead to success in forex trading. Una sa lahat, believe that you can learn. There are a lot of negative minds sa atin pagpasok natin. Ang iniisip natin, hindi ko kaya. I'm too old. Hindi ako techie, di ba? So hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin. So it's a start pa lang. Iniisip mo na hindi posible, talagang hindi talaga magiging posible. Di ba? Your belief starts, nasa utak yan eh. You need to practice also. You need to understand the risk. Hindi po pwedeng papasok ka na hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo. You have to believe in yourself na kaya mo. Kahit gaano ka busy, kahit gaano ka hectic ng schedule mo. If you want to learn, it is possible. Okay, next slide please. So, ano po to? This is about you. Your success in forex trading is entirely in your hands. Take ownership and drive your own journey to success. So, this is about you, about your goals, about your dreams, about your time frame. So, babalik tayo doon. We have this program na Project for Good kasi OFWs, ang objective natin, isipin natin, you've been working there 10, 15, 20 years, di ba? Tama? So, this is about you. Ano ba ang objective mo sa buhay? Di ba? Payag ka ba na nandiyan ka lang palagi all your life? Payag ka ba na hanggang 50, 60 years old, you're still working? Di ba? So, this is about you in the way na kailangan mong mag-risk na matuto ng skill while you're working abroad. So, you have to work on your own skill. Habang nandiyan ka, you're still earning, you still have opportunity to learn. This is an opportunity for you to learn and earn at the same time para mayroon kang objective na pagdating ng panahon, pagdating ng araw, uuwi ako at makakasama ko na yung pamilya ko. So, this is about you. So, next slide, please. So, mayroon tayong 100% accountability dapat when we do trading. So, take full responsibility for your results and learn from every trade regardless of the outcome. So, pag nag-trade tayo, nasa gitna tayo ng trade, dapat hindi tayo dapat isisi sa iba. Kasi mabilis yung takbo ng market, kesyo hindi ko napindot ng maaga. So, kaya tayo binigyan ng opportunity for us to learn because nasa atin yung accountability. Once we learn, tayo mag-trade on ourselves. So, accountable tayo. Hindi accountable ni Coach Nars, hindi accountability ni Coach Jesse o kung sino man nag-trade, nagla-live trade. Kasi tinuturuan lang tayo how to trade. So, it's our accountability for ourselves na kailangan kung ano yung ginawa natin, it's our responsibility for ourselves. Ma-failure ma yan, ma-success ma yan, dapat accountability natin. Kasi, classic example, mayroong isang estudyante, sabi niya, Coach, kumikita na ako, okay na takbo ko. Tapos biglang tumawag, Coach, naubos yung kapital ko. So unang tanong ko is, ano ba ang mali? Ano ba ang lot size mo? Coach, ganito. So, sabi ko, medyo mali ka. Pero inamin naman niya na, Coach, mali ko talaga. Accountable siya na mali ang ginawa niya because nag-overtrade siya, nag-revenge siya. Gusto niya, kumita na siya ng $500, gusto pa rin niya ng $1,000. Pero at the end of the day, he or she knows for a fact na mali yun. When she lose $500 to $1,000, alam niya for a fact na mali yung inamin niya. So, 100% accountable siya dun sa kanyang ginawa. Yun. So, next slide, please. You have to trust the process at the same time. Success, by the way, is a journey that requires patience, sinabi ko kanina, consistency, and commitment to your trading system for lasting results. Hindi po pwede yung wala kang pasensya talaga sa trading. So, babalikan natin, dapat pasensyang mag-aral dun sa mga Hero 30 Academy. Hindi po pwedeng dumiretso sa live trade tapos doon magtatanong. Diba? Pasensya, consistency, dapat araw-araw magte-trade, araw-araw mag-aaral, kahit 30 minutes of your time. Diba? 1 hour of your time. Kasi hindi pwedeng sabihin mo busy ka, tsaka na lang. Yung chance mo to get home for good is tatagal pag hindi ka consistent. So you have to be consistent in studying and practicing forex trading. And you should have commitment to your trading system for lasting results. So sinasabi natin, you have to be committed. Pag sinabi mo, ang target ko today is $100 lang. I have to, pag nag-$100 na ako, lalabas na ako. I have to be out kasi profitable na ako. You have to set your target. Pag nag-lose ka naman ng $20 kasi allowed mo for yung capital, mas allowed only to lose $20, lalabas ka na. Kasi committed ka dun. May consistent ka, nalalabas ka kasi alam mo, if ever inubos mo naman yung capital mo, hindi ka makakapag-trade bukas. Diba? Yun ang sinasabi na the market will be there, but the capital might not be there bukas. So kailangan ng tiyaga, kailangan ng consistency, kailangan yung patience natin. Okay, next slide. So, ano sinasabi natin dito? Fail forward, failure is part of the journey. Walang successful trader na hindi nag-fail. Alam ni Coach Nars yan, kinikwento yan ni Coach Nars sa mga live trading niya kung paano siya nag-fail before. So, it was back then, 2017, 2016, malaking failure din yan niya. So, marami rin profitable traders right now who have already failed. So, come to think of it, 10, sinasabi natin, 8 out of 10 businesses in the Philippines failed in the first year. So, failure is part of the journey. Ang kailangan doon, when you fail, dapat pulutin mo yung learning mo from that failure. Yun lang. Para at least when you move forward, dala-dala mo yung learning mo. When you trade again the next day, alam mo, dala mo yung learnings mo from that failure. Kasi doon lang matututo tayong mag-learn ng ating failure once i-accept natin yon at ating i-apply sa next trading journey day natin. Okay? Next slide please. So ito yon. Define your income goal. Clarity creates focus. So, simple lang. Ano ba yung goal mo for the day? If you have a $1,000 capital or even $500 capital, if you win for the day of about $100, ilang percent na yun sa $500? That's big enough, di ba? Kasi tayo, yun ang ano natin eh. Pagdating kasi sa forex trading, doon mo nakikilala ang sarili mo. Doon mo makikita kung ano ka when it comes to money, di ba? Pag wala kang discipline sa pera, talagang you will go, it's either magre-revenge trade ka or pag kumikita ka na, may itong $100. Hindi, coach, gusto ko pang lumaki. Kaya ko $500. Sige, trade pa rin ako ng trade. Kasi wala kang target. So, define your goal. Pag inabot mo ng $100, tigil ka na, i-shut down mo ng MT5 and move on ko na on your other activities apart from the fact that you are working. So, scalping lang naman tayo. So, makuha $100 ka na, okay na yon. Susunod naman. Bakit? Kasi ang trading is hindi po pwede yung 100. Kasi siniisip mo, pwede kong kumita ng $100 with a $500 capital. Hindi po yon. Kung gusto mo kumita ng $1,000 a day, dapat yung capital mo is also $10,000. So, yun lang katapat. The bigger capital you have, the bigger income you might have. So, the more kasi ng risk ng ginagawa natin, the more naman yung risk na babaliktad pag nag-reverse yung market. So, yun ang tinatawag natin, nasusunog ka kasi nag-overtrade ka. Kasi naabot mo ng income goal mo, pero you still trade. So, tinutuloy-tuloy mo pa rin, trade ka pa rin. So, yun ang nangyayari, na-overtrade ka, nasusunugan ka. So, bukas, wala ka ng capital ulit. Magsisimula ka na naman. So, yun. Next slide, please. So your mindset is your superpower. So everything starts in your mind. Sa isip natin, kung negative ka agad, yung ating palaisipan, walang mangyayari. So sinabi ko na kanina, pag positive tayo, sabihin natin, kaya mo in your mind, kaya mo to. Kaya kong kitain to, kaya kong matutunan to in a matter of 30 days, kakayanin mo. Because your mindset is your superpower. Okay? So meron tayong 5 easy steps to start. So itong 5 easy steps, if you just enrolled, siguro enrolled ka last week, today, or kailan ba yon? So ito yung 5 easy steps to start. Alam ko kukulitin nyo yung coaches nyo nito, pero makinig po kayo nito. Mayroon naman po itong recording. So better off you listen to this. This is just simple. Diba? So yun. Next slide, please. So ito na ba yun? Join our onboarding and trading execution. Itong onboarding to bukas magkakaroon tayo ng trading execution with Coach Kurt. So dapat po mag-attend kayo doon. Ito, pinag-usapan natin yung basic. Ano ba ang dapat mong gawin once you enroll? Ano yung next step mong gagawin? Ito lang po yun. Okay? Slide. So unang-una, we have to join our official channels. Meron tayong Hero 30 group page, meron tayong Hero 30 Telegram, meron tayong Hero 30 VIP GC. So once you get in, we welcome ka namin sa Hero 30 VIP GC. Tapos bibigyan ka ng link ng coaches mo para magkaroon ng access sa Hero 30 Telegram at sa Hero 30 group page. Ano po yung nandun sa Hero 30 group page natin? So nandun po yung mga results at mga announcements ng ating mga classmates, yung previous batches ng ating Hero 30. By the way, we are already on a batch 4 and we are already at link VIP batch 23 na ata tayo. So ganun na po kadami yung ating mga enrollees sa Hero 30. Apart from marami na pong kumikita as long as they follow the process, they learn and they may disiplina, mag-aral. So there's an opportunity talaga as long as you have to be patient saka consistent ka sa ginagawa mo. Okay? Next slide please. So ngayon, mayroon tayong, when you enroll, there's an email that will be sent to you. Congratulations, you're officially part of the Hero 30 Challenge. So papadala po so yun. Tapos click here, magkakaroon ng email na sabi doon, click here to access yung Hero 30. So magla-login po kayo doon. Yung po ang access nyo sa Hero 30 kasi magtatanong palagi, Coach, paano ba yung access ko? Paano ba to? Paano? Ito po, ipapadala sa inyo within 24 hours after you enroll sa Hero 30. So wag po kayong mag-patience book. Inuulit ko, patience, di ba? Gusto ng iba pag nag-enroll, pasok agad. Hindi po. After 24 hours, inaayos pa ng admin natin, mag-email ang admin natin sa inyo na kayo ay kasama sa Hero 30. Magkakaroon na kayo. After 48 hours, magkakaroon na po kayo ng access sa Hero 30 Academy natin. Okay? Slide please. So ito po yung access ng ating Hero 30 website. So email tsaka password. So mag-login po tayo, submit, pakapasok na po tayo sa ating Hero 30. By the way, yung email nyo, kung anong ginamit nyo when you got in sa ating, di ba, ma-enrollment link kayo, anong ginamit nyo, kung anong ginamit nyo doon, email ad, ito rin po ang gagamitin nyo once you log in para po may access po kayo sa ating Hero 30. Okay po? So next slide please. So ano po yung doon? Nandun sa ating Hero 30 website is yun yung full lessons ni Hero 30. So number 1 doon is Foundations of a Profitable Trader. So I suggest, and I strongly suggest that dapat you should start from the very start. Aralin niyo po ng buo yung ating Hero 30 Academy because hindi po kayo magiging, yung knowledge po hindi buo kung hindi po nyo aaralin ng buo. Kasi marami ang shortcut mabilis sabi ka hindi na, diretso na tayo. May live trading naman doon na tayo. Pagdating sa live trading, tanong. Magagalit si Coach JC, si Coach Lars, kasi tanong. Hindi to yung pagtatanong ng live trade, dapat mag-aaral kayo. Yung iba hindi nag-aaral. Coach, ano to? Ano yung support and resistance? Anong ganyan? Hindi po ganon. Yung ating live trade is tulong po yon para ma-fast track yung inyong learning. But you should study first doon sa ating, kaya nga tayo may access doon sa ating Hero 30 Academy. So, dapat mag-aral po tayo doon. Once you get in, meron tayong VIP exclusive na Telegram group tsaka private Facebook group. So, join po kayo doon para po maka-access kayo on other live trade, mga announcements, tsaka anong nangyayari sa loob ng ating Hero 30 Academy. Okay? Next slide please. So, ano po to? Ito po yung ating access. Magkakaroon, once you enroll, magkakaroon po ng link, papadalan po kayo ng link ng ating Hero 30. So may mga questions po doon. Are you enrolled here as Hero 30 VIP? What batch are you? Ganito yon. When you get into Hero 30, your coach will welcome you to the community. Sasabihin, welcome to the community. You belong to batch 4 VIP GC. So ito po yung ipapasok nyo rito. You have to write your answer here. Tapos, second question, who is your assigned coach? So answerin nyo rin po yan. Si Coach Kurt, si Coach Nars, si Jesse, si Coach Dondi. So lalagay po natin dito kung sino po ang inyong kausap. So pag hindi po kayo nakasagot dito, ibig sabihin hindi po kayo nakapag-enroll. So hindi kayo ma-allowed sa ating mga group na Telegram. So what Hero VIP GC did you belong? Please answer. If you don't answer the 3 questions, your request will be automatically declined. So nasa coaches nyo po lahat yung information. Ibibigay sa inyo po yan once you enroll to Hero 30. Okay? Slide please. So, sabi ko na kanina, don't skip module 1. Diba? So, nandito po lahat, introduction to the 30-day challenge, understanding the 5M, the right mindset. So, ito kasi yung iba is they think this is just diretso na ako doon sa aral. Hindi po. You should start from here. Kasi, hindi naman lahat mag-grade 6 kaagad dapat mag-kinder muna tayo, mag-grade 1 for us to learn yung lessons ng grade 6. The same lang po yun sa Hero 30, di ba? You should learn from the basics, how it is, saan nang galing, ano yung pinanggalingan. So mindset muna, di ba? And then mechanics, and then market analysis. Hindi pwedeng market analysis, saka hindi mo alam ng mindset. So you should start from there. You should start from the right mindset, di ba? Disiplina, inuulit-ulit ko, right mindset. Even if you have the best coaches, the best cheat codes, pag mali yung mindset mo, you will never succeed. So you have to study everything from the start. Okay? Slide please. So, how to access yung Hero 30 website natin? So, mag-login po lamang ng ating inyong ginawa yung inyong email ad. So, pasok yung password, submit, may access na kagad sa yung Hero 30. Okay? Ito po yung ating nasa loob ng ating Hero 30. Kompleto po yan. So, nandun po lahat. How to modify your trade. So, ito kasi a lot of us are medyo tamad. Hindi ko naman sinasabi lahat. Tamad mag-aral dito. Ang ginagawa, magtatanong. Tapos, magagalit pagka hindi ginang sinagot ng coach. Sasabihin, hindi ako sinasagot. Busy si coach. Kasi hindi siya nag-aral. You should start from here. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng diretso yung coach mo kung hindi ka nag-aral dito. So you should study this from the start until the end for you to understand ano ang nasa loob ng ating Hero 30. Paano magti-trade, paano magbabay, bakit nagbabay, bakit nagsesell, diba? So dito po nanggagaling lahat yun. Okay? So if you don't study this, talagang magkakaroon ng problema kasi hindi mo mafu-fully understand what is forex trading. Okay? Next slide please. So also you have to attend our live sessions. We have 2 live sessions for every Monday to Friday. We have our own live trading. It happens 8 p.m. To 9 p.m. for ex-EU Sniper under our master coach, Jesse. Bago lang nakauwian, nakapag-for good na po siya. Matagal din siyang OFW, it's about 13 years. But because of forex trading, natuto siya. Nakapag-for good, nakauwi na po siya ng Butuan, and he is very, very successful as a forex trading. And at the same time, coach natin siya sa ating ex-EU Sniper every night from Monday to Friday. And of course, second, yung ating DJ30, mayroon tayong live session from Monday to Friday, 9 p.m., mga 9 to 9:30, tapos na po yan. Pag-open po ng New York session yan, that is being hosted by none other than our host, Mr. Nars Paraguya. So, yun po, papasok lang po tayo doon, sasabay tayo, mag-live trading, mag-buy and mag-sell. Pero, di ba, babalikan ko, hindi pwede nakakapag-live session na kayo, nakakapag-buy and sell is hindi na kayo mag-aaral. Di ba? Hindi ka pwedeng magtanong doon sa live session. Mag-aral kayo doon. Pagkatapos nyo ito, may bakante kayong oras, balik ka naman kayo, aral kayo. Take note, aral sa ating Hero 30 Academy. So, mayroon din tayong Tactical Thursday. That's every Thursday we have discussion on a webinar on how to read yung ating chart, yung nitty-gritty details kung paano. So marami po kayong matututunan doon. Okay? Next slide please. So makikita natin, ito yung ating DJ30. It's a classic example of a live trade that happens previously. So DJ30, nagseset si Coach Nars ang support and resistance. So ang nangyayari doon, magbabay o magsesell. Maliit lang, mga 5 to 10 minutes, kumikita na siya yon, $315. Di ba? So, ganun kabilis. Yung kikita natin, is a classic example na ganun kabilis kumita sa Forex. Basta alam mo, may sistema ka at saka may proseso ka at saka disiplinado ka. Yun. Slide please. Of course. Okay. So of course, you have to join sa Telegram bonus channels natin. Meron tayong SMI, Smart Move Indicator, at saka may Surefire, saka GJ30. So tatanungin natin, ano po ba to? Ito po yung mga signals kung parang pwede tayong mag-buy and mag-sell. So nilalagay po doon, these are trades from other traders, from other expert traders. Nilalagay po doon, ano ba yung ilang kanilang mga trade. Ang gagawin na lang natin, mag-buy and mag-sell. May session po rito si SFI. Mag-attend din po tayo kung paano gamitin yung ating Smart Move Indicator. So sa Surefire po, nandun po lahat yung ating mga signals. Yun ang tinatawag nating cheat codes. Tinatawag while learning, while nag-aaral ka sa inyong Hero 30, at the same time, pwede kang kumita by doing the live trade every night at saka sumabay sa ating mga signals from the Surefire at saka SMI. Okay? Slide please. Yun, ito yung mga results natin for our Surefire. Total wins of 3,611 plus pips profits. So makikita natin dito na very ito makikita natin sa kaliwa yung mga may SL, may TP. Siset mo lang yung stop loss mo, yung TP which is take profit. So pwede ka nang maging profitable. So ito yung mga success based on statistics na ginagawa natin. This is getting out every week. So ito yung Monday to Friday. Ito yung mga profits ng ating Surefire na signal na binibigay sa atin kasama ng ating pag-enroll natin sa Hero 30. Okay? Slide please. So how to join a Telegram? So meron tayong link na papadala. I-fill up nyo po sa Telegram. Ganito po yun. Pag nag-fill up po kayo ng Telegram nyo, ilagay nyo po yung buong pangalan nyo. Kasi ang hirap po hanapin eh. Kahapon naghahanap pa na kami ni Coach Ryan ng mga pangalan. Ang hirap hanapin eh. Kasi magrereklamo kayo na, oh, Coach, hindi pa ako na-approve. Kasi ang nilagay mo doon is ibang pangalan. Ang hinahanap namin yung full name nyo. So yung Telegram is very important. Your Telegram name is dapat baguhin nyo into your full name para hindi po kami mahirapan maghanap pagka nag-approve kayo. Kasi kailangan dadaan yan sa approval eh. After yung mag-fill up, kailangan i-approve muna ng ating admin. So kailangan i-fill up natin yung ating full name talaga para madali siyang hanapin. So, mayroon dito, name of your sponsor or coach, ilalagay nyo, ano yung Facebook name nyo, kasi iba yung pangalan, ibang Facebook nila, iba yung nakalagay, so lalagay nyo rin dito. Tapos, email ad na ginamit nyo sa BT Markets, tapos yung Telegram name nyo. Ngayon, as much as possible, full name nyo, yung real name nyo talaga, ilalagay nyo sa Telegram name. Okay? Tapos, click agree, tapos submit po tayo. So, tatlo po to, Surefire, SMI, and Live Trade. Tatlo rin po ang fill upan niyo po. Okay? Next slide please. So, magre-request to join po tayo, use your real name. Sinabi ko naman kanina. So, tatlong link po yon, Surefire, SMI, tsaka Live Trade. Hindi pwedeng isa lang ay sasubmit nyo, Surefire lang. So, fill up nyo pa rin kasi iba-iba po ang link ng tatlo, hindi lang isa. So, iba-iba po ang request na gagawin nyo on the three na link ni Telegram. Okay? So, ano bang requirement sa atin para makapasok tayo sa Telegram? We need to be fully verified sa ating VT Markets. Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? When we open our VT Markets account, dapat po from level 1, level 2, and level 3, dapat po fully verified tayo. Dapat yung personal details verification natin na pasok natin, yung ating identity verification na pasok natin, at saka yung residency address verification na pasok natin. So, ano po yun? Iisa-isahin po natin. Pagpasok po natin, as much as possible, ilalagay natin Philippines. Kahit nasa ang country po kayo, ilalagay natin country is Philippines. Why? Because lahat ng ating identity verification ay hanapin is Pilipinas. Bakit? Una, pag umuwi tayo, yung ating VT Markets dala-dala natin, nasa Pilipinas tayo, makapag-trade pa rin tayo. Pangalawa, pag nasa ibang bansa tayo, wala naman tayong ibang dokumento na dala-dala, Apart of course from Canada, yung ibang country na hindi allowed maging resident doon, ang dala natin are documents from the Philippines. So yung identity verification natin is either your driver's license. So any government na Philippine government ID ipapasok natin sa identity verification. So level 3 is the residency address verification. Ano po 'yon? Yun yung proof of billing na pwede nating ipasok. Dapat naka-address doon is Philippines. So in any case, pag wala tayong residence, sasabihin natin, matagal na po ako dito, wala na pong address sa Philippines, may way po ang coaches natin. Tuturuan po kayo. Isa nating way is mag-open tayo ng GoTime account, tapos with 24 hours, pwede tayo magpa-print ang statement. Yung po ang gagamitin natin sa residency address verification. Just ask your coaches. Pagka may problema po kayo sa tatlong to, magpatulong po kayo sa coaches nyo. Tsaka kasi yung coaches nyo have direct links sa BT Markets, magpapatulong tayo sa BT Markets. In cases may problema, uulitin ko, in cases may problema sa tatlong ito, kasi once hindi kayo fully verified, hindi kayo makakapasok sa Telegram natin. Hindi kayo makakapa-access ng Surefire, ng SMI, tsaka Live Trade. So you need, when you get into the BT Markets, when you register to the BT Markets, dapat fully verified po kayo. So dapat satisfy natin ng 1, 2, and 3. So ask your coaches, may mga solusyon po dyan. Sabihin natin, malabo, ganito. Ask your coaches for help. They're very willing to help you. Okay po? Slide. So when we open the account, ito po yung mukha ng ating VT Markets when we get in. So unang-una, gawa mo tayo ng demo account, lalagay natin $1,000. Pag-uusapan po ito in details bukas sa ating trade execution with Coach Kurt. So andito po lahat, pwede kang mag-open tayo ng live account tsaka demo account. So for as a start, we should start with $1,000 and sa demo account. So mag-open ka na account, tapos may mga drop down dyan na i-fill up mo. Okay? So next slide please. So in cases na wala kayong lumampas ng 30 days, tas wala pa kayong access sa Hero 30, mag-email po ako. I-take note nyo po to, picturean nyo po to, isulat nyo po to. Kaysa naman magtatanong kayo, bakit coach, wala akong access sa akong Hero 30, sa aking Hero 30. So mag-email to sa hero30fx@gmail.com para magkaroon kayo ng access. Baka magka-problema sa email nyo, or hindi siya ma-send, or mayroong mga technical na mga problema, mag-send kayo sa email na to para po magkaroon kayo ng access sa inyong Hero 30. Okay? So bukas, magkakaroon po tayo ng trade execution for discussion with Coach Kurt. So this ends my presentation for now. Any questions? Okay. So, any questions for now? Okay. Kung wala na po tayong